all my papers. And today, I'm gonna draw dog. Okay. Dog is a special dog. Right, Mom?
Right.
And he has a tail like other dogs. And he has a red color so that he may talk. And he sticks his tongue out like Larry. Dog sticks his tongue out like Larry could. Want to see my tongue?
It's a great tongue.
I was just pretending to be dog. What else does he have? He has hair. I'll make hair on top of his head. And that's how I draw dog. Meet Pooh. See it? See Pooh?
Yep, I see him.